I got an angle grinder that says that's great.
Hell yeah. There she sits. Oh yeah.